A pretty cool cordless vacuum cleaner, and it comes with its own charger. It has a LED touch display. It has an adjustable telescopic rod, a removable battery, 180 degrees rotation for left to right, and also a 90 degrees from up. A washable filter, the motor, its own touch screen, 2 and 3 the charger, and the removable battery. It comes with its own little cleaning brush. And lastly, we have that little handle over here, which can be Our vacuum has a LED touch screen, which has different touch buttons over here. The first one is this one, which is the remaining battery. This circle over here indicates the ambient light. This indicates the 1, 2, 3 level suction. Once we need to replace the filter, a little light will come up for us to replace the filter. This button, the A with a little circle, and auto mode button. When our vacuum is in the auto mode, it'll have this auto indicator over here. What's pretty cool about this vacuum is that it comes with a 180 rotation horizontally, so you can vacuum horizontally and it'll just move, and also a 90 degree up. This is After vacuuming my apartment, it is very easy to clean, so we just push the button over here and all the dirt will come out. To clean or replace the washable filter, we only have to push this button